Hello everyone who is interested in and using Hidemyacc software. Hidemyacc is software that helps to change computer parameters including hardware and software information and creating new machine information. The software supports installing with proxy to create and access multiple virtual browsers at the same time. In this video, I will guide you how to use the new version of Hidemyacc software with some changes in the interface and features compared to the old version. After downloading the software and installing it on your computer, you create an account and then use it normally. You can experience it first with a 7-day trial package, or you can choose the appropriate package and upgrade immediately. After choosing the right package, the home page of the software will display information like this. First of all, let's take a look at the main functions of Hidemyacc new version. Quick, create a new profile immediately without storing any information. The data will be deleted when you close the browser. You can see details via the video under the description. Profiles, display all created profiles except profiles created in Quick section. Folders, the same way when you create folders on your computer, you can create folders and divide profiles into appropriate folders, making it easier for you to manage. For example, if you work on multiple platforms, you can create multiple folders, each contain profiles used for each platform separately. You can also name folders based on the names of people in your group, each of whom will manage a separate folder. However, this feature is currently not available for the trial plan and the starter plan. This feature is only integrated from the base package and up. Automation. This is a high-level function of Hidemyacc which saves you a lot of time, money, and energy for repetitive tasks, such as cookies bot, account creation, web surfing, etc. All you need to do is write some simple code in the Automation tab, so that Hidemyacc can automatically run your profiles and repetitive operations depending on your requirements. To better understand how to use automation feature, please review the automation video on Hidemyacc's YouTube channel. Search bar. The search bar helps users easily find profiles in the fastest way. Right next to the search bar is account information. Select settings to check your account information. Select sign out to sign into another account. Account sharing feature is best for teamwork, because with this feature you can share a profile or folder for team members to use at any time and place. For more details about the share function, please go to Hidemyacc's YouTube channel to review. One of the main items you will need to pay attention to is the profile creation section. Each profile is a new device and browser information. As many new machine identities you need to use, you have to create as many profiles. Now I will show you how to create a new profile. To create a new profile, click on the New Profile section. Here, the device configuration and proxy are displayed for you to adjust. There are 7 main sections: Overview, Proxy, Time Zone, WebRTC, Geolocation, Extensions, and Advanced. In the Overview section, you can customize the computer operating system version and browser information in 2 sections: Operating System and Browser. The operating system has Windows, macOS, and Linux. The trial version will not have the phone's operating system, which are Android and iOS. Web browsers include Chrome, Opera, Edge, Firefox, and Safari. There are different versions of operating systems and browsers. You can choose whichever version you like. The next section is Proxy Configuration. Hidemyacc cannot change your IP on its own, so you need to use a proxy to connect to the internet more safely and securely. We have 6 options here. Without proxy, use the current internet that your device is using. HTTP proxy, SOX4 proxy, SOX5 proxy. These are the popular proxies today, which can customize the network configuration corresponding to your proxy. Each proxy will provide one different IP address information and different from your home IP address. Each proxy will have information fields to fill in such as IP address, proxy host and port, proxy username and password. There are types of proxy that you do not have to fill in the above information. It depends on the type of proxy you use. To check if the proxy is working or not, after filling in all of them, click Check Proxy to check again. If it shows results like this, it means the proxy is working. If it shows can't connect, it means the proxy is not working. Antidetect proxy. is a proxy system provided by 3G per 4G SIM attached to DCOM and organized in a reasonable way. The system is located in many provinces and cities across the country of Vietnam, enabling users to freely choose and create a very diverse and rich proxy system in geographical locations as well as different IP ranges. TM Proxy is also one of the residential proxy providers in Vietnam. Next, in the Time Zone tab, you can manually adjust the proxy's time zone. In particular, if the proxy shows the wrong time zone. In the WebRTC tab, you can manually adjust the WebRTC parameter or use the native parameter based on the external IP. You can also see detailed steps on WebRTC parameter adjustment in the video in the description. The Geolocation tab shows your geolocation profiles, including latitude and longitude parameters that are automatically adjusted based on the external IP. So you can skip this item. However, depending on your demand, you can also automatically adjust the parameters. Go to the Extensions tab. You can install multiple extensions at once with just one click without spending a lot of time going to the extension store to add them one by one. We also have video tutorials for how to install extensions in series on Hidemyacc's YouTube channel. In the Advanced section, you can customize hardware parameters and a few other components. There are the following main sections: Security, Navigator, Mask Media Device, and Other. In the Security section, Enhanced Protection. If you intend to use Hidemyacc for highly secure websites like eBay, Amazon, Walmart, you should enable this function. Sync browser data to the cloud. If you want to use Hidemyacc on different computers, you need to enable this function. If you don't need to sync data to the server, you can turn it off. Navigator. You can change the language in your profile browser here. Screen resolution, hardware concurrency, and device memory all have a lot of options for you to choose. However, you can skip this part because Hidemyacc automatically selects different parameters when each profile is created. Mask canvas. Many computers have the same canvas these days, so you don't have to worry about the safety when using your computer's real canvas. You can choose to turn mask canvas on or off depending on your needs. Mask media device also includes video inputs, audio inputs and outputs, but you don't need to adjust them. If you want to customize it manually, choose the corresponding parameters for each setting. In Other section, you can choose to enable or disable the desired items. Clear cache after browsing shutdown will help increase Hidemyacc's memory space in your computer by clearing the cache after turning off your profile. Restore last browsing session helps you to reopen the pages of your previous browsing session. Don't allow sites to show images is suitable for those who are using the internet with slow speed and unstable quality by not loading images on the web, reducing the loading time of website traffic. Mute audio will mute your profile audio. After the parameter setting is completed, click Create to create a profile. Remember to name the profile before clicking Create to make it easier to manage the profile later. Now, I have shown you all the detailed steps to create a new profile. Profiles created will appear in the Profile section. Depending on your purpose, you decide to create the appropriate number of profiles. You can also edit profiles, share profiles, manage them with folders, or delete profiles. To create folders, first, click on the Folder section, enter the name of the folder you want to create, and then click Create. To add profiles to that folder, click Manage in Folder, click on the folder you want to add the profile to. You can also share profiles/folders with anyone who has a share account of Hidemyacc, and they will also have the right to view, edit, or be an admin for those profiles or folders. This will make it much more convenient for you to work in groups. For more details, please review the teamwork instruction video in the description below the video. In addition, in this version, Hidemyacc also updated some new features in the profile section. Transferring. You click on the profile you want to transfer, click Transferring, enter the email of the account you want to transfer ownership. At this point you will transfer full ownership of the profile to someone else. Note, transferring feature only applies to paid and available accounts. It does not apply to share accounts. Restore profile. You click on the Account section, select Restore Profile. Deleted profiles will be updated on Hidemyacc system every 24 hours. Make sure you restore them within 24 hours. Install Bulk Proxy. You click to select a series of profiles you want to change proxy information and fill in the information as usual. I have finished the detailed instructions on how to use and create profiles on the new version of Hidemyacc. Thank you for your interest and support for Hidemyacc software. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us through Facebook, Telegram, or Skype. Wish you success.